Wouldn't it be great if your blind date, Rachel, turned out to be Rachel Hunter, the international model, and you had a romantic dinner at the beach with beer, really great beer, like Keystone Light, and things went really well. So you had Rachel build you a beach house, because it turned out that Rachel was a great little homemaker. Cold-filtered Keystone and Keystone Light. Bottle beer tastes in a can.
So what's left to do?
Been a shingle in the roof.
I'll do that in the morning.
Wouldn't that be great?
Of all the trucks in its class, only Chevy 4-door S10 Blazer gives you 4-wheel anti-lock brakes, standard, which helps you steer through a curve while braking. Without it, you don't have as much control. And why should that be important to you? Because in the real world, safety doesn't have to be an option. Chevy S10 Blazer.
The heartbeat of America. Today's truck is Chevrolet.
Are you ready for some monster truck action? Welcome to the world of USA Motorsports. We're going to take you on a journey through some of the highlights and lowlights of our high-horsepower non-stop tour. USA Motorsports has been scorching the globe throughout the U.S., Canada, Puerto Rico, and Australia to bring you the best of the best in monster truck racing, mud racing, and tractor pulling action, not to mention all-star daredevils and their breathtaking feats. Over the years, millions of spectators have been thrilled to see the exploits of these professionals who have traveled mile after mile to show what sets them apart from all other competitors in their own special way. Now sit back and enjoy the ride. of the very best monster trucks and monster truck drivers in the land today. You're going to see some highly competitive qualifying action as well as some side-by-side monster truck racing here this evening. They're going to go head-to-head, but they're racing against the clock. There you see high-flying monster truck action. Bigfoot with a time of 4.6 seconds. Rocky Mountain Thunder at 6.4 seconds elapsed time. So Bigfoot is top qualifier for right now. Both of them with good, clean runs. We'll check the time. I don't think Bigfoot will be knocked off the top. Four-wheel crazy at 5.5 seconds. Troublemaker 6.2. Give them both a big round of applause. Horace Eldon Depew, 4.6 seconds. He ties Bigfoot as fastest qualifier. Under pressure, you see Jody Peterson under pressure. Dan Patrick, Keystone Bear Crusher. In the left-hand lane, it's Dan Patrick, the Keystone Bear Crusher. Well, this should be a terrific battle. Who's it gonna be? We're gonna find out. They've been running times at 4.5, 4.6 seconds. They've been very, very close. Here we go, the Monster Truck Final. They went to the clock. They were that close. And the winner at 4.4 seconds, it is Eldon Depew and Taurus! The action started fast and furious as Rick Hill of Michigan found the concrete was not the place to be beyond the finish line. This was the best, and this was the time to put the equipment on the line. Here's Paula Harbuck flirting with disaster. Oh, what a pass. Look at his time. Time coming up on the Mud Shark, Mike Erdely. He runs the time. 2.07 seconds. New leader. Another top driver to the line. This is Tom Minson, Shake Me out of Paxton, Illinois. Oh, slides it out the end. Got that front end up in the air. We'll check his time. He had the light front end just like you're supposed to. His time, 2.13 seconds. Puts him in second place. Tom Minson, Shake Me. Then came the pass of the defending world champion, George Gregory, the new breed. Time to beat to take the lead is 2:07. We'll see if George Gregory has enough in the new breed. George Gregory, the new breed, two-time defending world champion, waiting on that time. 2.16 seconds. Puts him in third place. George Gregory, the new breed. The time to beat to take the first round win is 2.07. Being from the Show Me State of Missouri, Ron Pence would like nothing better than to show his home state fans why he is the world champion of the USA Super Series of Mud Racing. Woo! Woo! Gets it stopped 2 feet short of the stop line. Down on the other end. We'll check his time. Time coming up for Ron Pence. Ladies and gentlemen, listen to this. 2.02 seconds. That is why Ron Pence and Tater is the world champion. He takes the first round win. Give him a big hand, Ron Pence and Tater. Here comes the replay. Ron Pence leaves the line straight as an arrow. There you see the front tires up on top of the mud where they should be. Immediately on the brakes, he gets it stopped just before the stop line to keep the run legal. And that's why Ron Pence is the world champion in the USA Super Series of Mud Racing. Time to go to the final round of 3. The 3 fastest from the first round now come back in a final round shootout, starting with the 3rd fastest qualifier. That means that Tom Mintz and Shake Me out of Paxton, Illinois will be the first to the line and try to set the time to beat. This has been a recreation of the 1991 racing season, the USA Super Series of Mud Racing. Seems every stop we make, these 3 drivers are involved in the final round shootout. Tom Mintz and Shake Me, Mike Erdely in the Mud Shark out of Walkerton, Indiana, and the world champion Ron Pence and Tater. Whoa, Tom! Whoa! Whoa! Yeah! Taking it all the way to the limit. Tom Mintz and Shake Me. Time coming up. Tom Mintz runs through in 2.17 seconds. Next to line, Mike Erdely in the Mud Shark.
A good job, a good job. Spinning and grinning right there. The cameraman looking right down his throat as Mike Erdely took it straight through the mud pit, stayed on the throttle all the way. He did not let off early at all. He had to go past a 2.17, and the Shark turns 2.06. He moves into the lead. 1/100 of a second faster. Erdely Early, put your helmet back on. You look prettier with it on.
And now it comes down to one more pass. That'll be the world champion Ron Pence and Tater out of Fredericktown, Missouri. This has been a familiar spot for Ron Pence all season long. He has won the first round, and now he comes back against the top two competitors from the opening round, Ron Pence and Tater. Gets it stopped on the end. We'll check his time. Time to beat 2.06 seconds to win the quick round. Ron Pence's time comes out at 2.03 seconds. You winner! Here comes the replay up on Diamond Vision. Watch this run. Hard launch off the line. Front tires up in the air. This is the winning pass. 2 for 2. He is your USA Super Series of Mud Racing World Champion. Let him hear ya, Ron Pence and Tater. Now, no truck and tractor pull is complete without the equipment and the driving ability of Alan Gaines, the Orange Blossom Special.
That's what Alan Gaines wants to do. He wants to look at the sky. He wants to look at the air. Give him a Kansas City round of applause. Alan Gaines, Orange Blossom Special. Warms up the jets. Back and forth. Warm it up, warm it up, warm it up. Drop it in gear and looking to go to the other end. Come on, ladies, get loud. Let me hear from all the ladies. Of the monster blowing high. Look at the dirt.
USA Motorsports salutes a member of the International Motorsports Hall of Fame and Drag Racing Hall of Fame, Art Arfon. These are the USA Motorsports All-Stars.